Hey guys, how are you all? I am here with my team in front of LPU. So I want to know how excited all you are about new video from our channel. So this video is completely based upon we are going to ask some mind tricking questions to the crazy gangs hanging out over here. So are you excited? I am excited. Let's go. What two things can you never eat for breakfast? What two things that you can't eat for breakfast? Alcohol.
Dinner and lunch. Dinner and lunch.
Correct. Next, the second question. I am an odd number. Take away one letter from me and I will become even. Which number?
An odd number.
I am an odd number. Take away one letter. I will become even. One letter. If you remove from that, it will become even number. I am repeating the question. Okay?
12.
Wrong. I am an odd number. Take away one letter and I become even. 21. What number am I? 21. 11. No, only one letter. Seven. Who told? 7, yeah, 7 is wrong. Final one. What's as big as an elephant but weighs nothing? What's as big as elephant but weighs absolutely nothing? Again, What starts with E and ends with E but only has one letter in it?
I.
This also can be considered, but that's not the answer.
But it is considered, then why is it not the answer?
It is the answer.
But try what here it is. Starts with E and ends with E and has one letter in it. Sorry, your answer is not considered because it's between two E's. I'm asking, it is one letter.
I'm sorry, I didn't get it.
Can I repeat the question
yeah.
again? Okay. What starts with E and ends with E but only has one letter in it? I, 3 letters,
E
but it should start and end with E.
It is starting an end.
Animal farm.
No.
I'll be like, buzz. I don't know.
Don't know.
Bolo star, superstars, bolo.
Baby, copy and pen.
Try, bro. A guess.
We already guessed it, but you didn't consider our answer. That's so fair, unfair.
Like electronic, we will take a short form E. That's
No, not that much. Just
He
simple
went
one.
too high.
Yes.
बंदे का level तक कहाँ गया वो?
Don't know.
No.
You too? It's envelope.
Fuck.
Envelope starts with E, ends with E, has a letter in it.
okay.
But there are a lot of letters in it, right? Like,
What letter?
oh, fuck.
Okay. Next. I have teeth but can't eat. What am I?
Your comb.
Correct. That's great. Chocolate. Here you go.
I can't eat. I'm dieting.
Okay, fine then. I'll.
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you.
ए तुम लोग मुझे मैं बाद में देखूंगी तुम लोगों को.
This is like a question, but you have to imagine. How can the pocket of your pants be empty but still have something in it?
I don't know.
You?
When you keep your hands inside.
She will answer. Wait.
When you keep your hands inside your pocket,
No. It will be empty, but it has something in it.
your hands are in
Your
it,
hands
right?
are in it.
In a pocket.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, not like that. Again, your answer is not considered.
Thinking. Pocket money.
Yes. No.
In a
वाह,
pocket.
देवा.
के अंदर pocket होती है.
But there are your hands, na? But even it should be empty, but it should contain something. Hands should not be inside.
Purse. Purse.
No, purse will be there. Empty pocket. But there's something in it.
Pocket. Empty pocket.
Baby. पता नहीं यार. Phone a friend.
Yeah, you can use.
Phone a friend किसे करे?
Google Baba.
No, not Google.
Okay. Pass.
Hole?
Yeah.
Okay, then it's hole. When your pocket has a hole, it will be empty, but there is a hole.
Wow.
Oh God, such a
That's done. Okay. One more question. Can you name 3 consecutive days without using Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday?
Wednesday, Friday.
I didn't get the question only.
Can you name 3 consecutive days without using Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday?
What does consecutive mean? Like one after
Hmm.
one?
Yeah, exactly.
1 plus 1 plus 1. When is it?
What did you say? When?
सारा 3 का बोल ही दिया उसने कैसे?
Wednesday,
Wednesday नहीं बोलना.
Friday, and
Friday भी
Sunday.
नहीं बोला है, Sunday भी नहीं बोला है, कैसे बोलेंगे?
Thursday and Monday.
You should not use Wednesday.
Wednesday नहीं use. Sorry. Okay.
We can shift any day and tell also, right?
No, it should be consecutive.
Should be consecutive.
Yeah.
Consecutive तो ऐसे भी हो सकता है. One
Can't
plus
use
one.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. But the days should be consecutive.
Thursday, Saturday, Monday.
Thursday, Saturday, Monday. Friday is missing. Not consecutive.
कुछ भी बोल रहा है.
एक के बाद एक आना चाहिए.
Yes.
And you, there I
We
was.
can use Hindi. शुक्रवार.
No.
शनिवार, इतवार.
Only English.
देखो क्यों exclude कौन सा है इसका?
Wednesday, Friday, Sunday.
Thursday, Saturday,
तीनों को मार दिया उसने. हम लोग
Thursday,
क्या
Saturday,
देखेंगे?
Monday. एक को लेके 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus हो सकता है ना. एक को jump कर सकता है consecutive में.
No, you can't jump.
Give us another question.
Pass.
Pass.
Pass again?
Yeah.
Okay, it's yesterday, today, and tomorrow. They are consecutive.
We didn't think like that.
Done. Okay, this is the last question. It's up to you to win the chocolate or not.
Shut up. At least we got one chocolate.
वो भी बटेगी.
हाँ. हाँ?
वो भी बटेगी.
ये देख कितना गंदा है.
What belongs to you but get used by everyone else
Name.
more than you?
Name.
Exactly, you're correct. Thank you. How many months in a year have 28 days?
How many months in a year? 8 days. 12 months. I'm so good.
Next one. I have a teeth but can't eat. What am I?
Plastic teeth?
Comb.
Oh, okay.
Comb has to be done. Been done with 2 questions. Next one. What 2 keys can't open any door? can't open any door. One is correct. If you say the another one, I am going to give you.
Donkey.
Correct.
Monkey.
So half of chocolate. Both. Then no problem. Okay, fine. Two daughters went out to eat. Everyone ate one slice of pizza. So the pizza is having 6 slices. Yet only 3 slices were eaten. How is that possible? Two mothers and 2 daughters went out to eat. Everyone ate one slice of pizza. Yet 3 slices were only eaten.
Because like she, her mother, her daughter is three, one mother, 2 daughters.
2 mothers and 2 daughters.
2 mothers and 2
Explain how.
daughters. Means her mother is she, her mother is she. There's 2 mothers.
Yeah, that's correct. I think you answered 2 questions.
Yeah, no problem.
What has a neck but no head?
Neck but not head.
What is a neck?
But no head.
Bottle.
Answer.
Bottle.
They say it's correct.
Bottle.
Yeah, yeah. That's great. Bottle doesn't have a neck. Only bottle has a neck. Correct. Thank you. Bro. That's great.
Next question. Kshitij, अच्छे से बोलो.
Okay, then.
चॉकलेट पक्का चाहिए.
Starting with the second question. How can the pocket of your pants be empty but still have something in it?
The cloth. The cloth.
No? I'm repeating the question again. How can the pocket of your pants will be empty but still it has something?
Wallet. Some air.
No?
Pocket is empty but wallet है.
Pocket is empty but
Totally
it has something. How? It should be something there.
It has nothing.
No? Guesses?
Any guess?
End of the month. End of the month.
No.
When we put our hands in our pocket. It
No.
has nothing. It's just empty. It's empty.
These are hands.
Yes.
Chepu.
Yeah, you did कुछ सोचता नहीं है.
बोल ना.
Stings, please. She stings. क्या हुआ?
No idea.
No? Three.
Pass.
Okay, then it's a hole. When it has a hole, it will be empty, but there is a hole.
Okay, nice.
Done. Next, I'll finish it with the final question. What belongs to you but get used by everyone else more than you?
Brain.
No?
तेरे से ज़्यादा तेरा brain को कैसे use करता है?
You want me to repeat again? Okay. What belongs to you but gets used by everyone else more than you?
Time.
No?
Yes, with them.
Time, you will make use of your time.
Everybody has
But the thing is, others will use more than you, but it belongs to you.
yourselves.
No?
What's yourself?
One more thing.
चॉकलेट मिलेगा सोच अच्छे से बांटे.
Face. You can't see yourself.
Face.
Everyone can.
But they can't use your face.
Yeah.
क्या चीज़ है हमारी जो तुम मुझसे ज़्यादा मेरी यूज़ करती हो? ऐसा कुछ तेरा तो कुछ भी नहीं यूज़ करो.
नहीं करने का.
Wait, please सोचो.
चल अपना ही कुछ बता दे फिर. If Kshitij is a person.
Name. I zero. We will just. Come to just
Name.
name.
I think she said.
Yeah, I did. We keep on mentioning, like, you know, whatever anybody.
अरे आंसर
Just
बोल.
name.
That's correct. That's why I'm asking you. That's correct. That's great. Got this. Okay, bro. Thank you. That's all. Thank you. Thank you.
So will it be, put up in uploaded